Hey everyone, it's Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're answering the question, what is the difference between hemp and cannabis? Now, in nature, there's truly no difference, meaning a hemp plant is a cannabis plant is a hemp plant. The only real differentiation between hemp and cannabis is a legal one, meaning in nature, they're the same plant, but by law or by definition, they have different characteristics. So hemp, which was legalized due to the 2018 Farm Bill, is essentially going to be any cannabis flower that has less than 0.3% Delta-9 THC, which would mean that any cannabis flower is going to be considered any cannabis plant with more than 0.3% Delta-9 THC. When it comes to the plants themselves, they are truly the same. Over the years, people within the hemp industry have sort of crossbred and created their own genetics for hemp plants that should, when grown, contain less than 0.3% Delta-9 THC. There are issues that hemp farmers are running into though, where they're planting their crop, they're buying hemp seeds, they're then planting, acres and acres or maybe hundreds of acres of hemp flower. And then when they go to chop it down, they have to get it tested, normally by the Department of Agriculture. And then they're testing that, and the tests are coming back above 0.3% Delta-9 THC, which now no longer meets the definition of hemp, and at which point is technically a cannabis product. And they're therefore having to sort of destroy their field because they're not growing hemp, they're growing cannabis, even though technically they're the same thing. So just to make this clear, hemp and cannabis are both the same plant. The only difference between the two, hemp is going to have less than 0.3% Delta-9 THC, while cannabis is going to have more than 0.3% Delta-9 THC. Hemp you can grow in most states under the 2018 Farm Bill. Cannabis, however, you can only legally grow in states where it's legal to grow, and most of the time is going to require some sort of licensing, normally high taxes, high fees, high application fees. It's sort of a joke. That's that for you. Difference between hemp and cannabis, not much other than a legal definition. Thank you for tuning in. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD vaping.